Bedtime Stories made for you by Dicky and George. The Hare and the Elephant King. Once upon a time in a jungle, there lived a herd of elephants. This herd of elephants is ruled by an elephant king. In the summer, when the lake dried up, a herd of elephants went looking for of the water. Their king led them to a river. Now, some hares lived around the river. They were very happy with their lives. When the elephants went to drink, they stepped on the burrows of the rabbits. Some of the rabbits had lost their lives too. I must do something, said the clever old hare. I will talk to the elephant king. But if I go too close, he may step on me and I will die. So he climbed to the top of the hill and spoke to the Elephant King from there. Who are you? Asked the Elephant King, hearing the voice from the above. I have come from the moon god, said the hare. What does he say? Asked the Elephant King. He is very angry. You are killing the hares that have taken care of the river from ages. Oh, I am sorry. We did not want to hurt them. Please forgive us, said the Elephant King. The Moon God will forgive you, but you must lead your herd from here, said the hare. I will do so at once, said the scared Elephant King. At night, the Elephant King walked carefully to the river. He bowed to the moon that he saw in the moving water. The moon god is indeed angry. I can see him shaking with anger, said the elephant king to the other elephants. He led his herd away. The moment the elephants left, the hares gathered. Thank you for saving us. How did you do it? The other hares asked. I just used my intelligence to help my people, said the old hare.